Technology is everywhere around us. We have our phones, laptops, cars, TVs, home appliances, even the transport system, everywhere. So studying CS or getting a software engineering degree, in software engineering or computer science, you can practically work in every industry or domain. You can work in the tech industry, you can work in the healthcare, business, video games, cars, and many more. For example, if you are a car enthusiast and you know everything about cars, you know the engine, the suspension, how a car works, you can work in a car company like Tesla, Ford, or many other companies. Tesla is one of the best examples. Teslas are literally software on wheels. You can become a machine learning engineer and then get a job in Tesla and work on the full self-driving system. But there are other many examples that I'm not gonna talk about in the video. But getting a degree does have its pros and cons. Going to college and university is a great option. You learn a lot of things, you meet amazing people, amazing students, you can find a lot of friends, and you can also improve your networking. You can enroll in clubs and work on amazing projects. You have a flexible roadmap that's already laid out for you. You will meet amazing professors that have a lot of experience so that you can learn a lot of things from them. And most universities, or I shall say every university, offers the exchange student program. So basically you can go study a semester or a year at another university, whether it is in your country or abroad. And I think that this one is one of the best pros of going to uni. But all this comes at a price. So the main negative point is the high tuition fees and the student loans that come with it. It can vary from university to university and it depends on your status too, if you're a domestic student or if you're an international student. Every university offers scholarships and financial aid programs to support students. You can get a part-time work or even internships to help you support yourself. Or you can even become a freelance developer. But sometimes all of these are not enough to cover the tuition fees, your housing fees, your transportation, food, and other expenses. My next point is that the tech industry in general changes at a fast pace. And sometimes the university curriculum can be outdated or not enough for the industry or your goals. You might take classes and courses that you will learn things that you will probably never use in your career. Also, generally, programs in college or university take up to 4 to 5 years, which might be a big time commitment. And some universities are way too theoretical and don't offer much hands-on experience. With studying comes grades and exams, and usually students get stressed or pressured. Yes, grades aren't that important, and getting a B plus or an F, it's okay. It just means that you need to study in a better way. But going to university means studying and learning, so you need to keep that in consideration. If you think that you're a person that doesn't like to study or you don't feel like studying, maybe university isn't a good option for you. It's true that your grades don't matter. It's true that you can find a job even if you have an average GPA, but you might miss out on some things. Some employers require students to have a certain GPA to apply for a job. Sometimes if you have an average GPA, you might miss out on some programs or activities. So for example, if you want to participate in the exchange student program, then some universities in your country or even abroad might ask you to have a high GPA. So if you have an average GPA, then you might miss out on your favorite university. So keep that in mind. If you are someone that doesn't really care about grades or doesn't really like studying, then maybe university isn't the best option for you. There are other pros and cons. I just wanted to point out the main ones. So in my opinion, going to university is absolutely okay. If you truly love tech and programming, but you think that you can study by yourself, then going to university and getting a degree is totally fine. If not, then you can study by yourself at your own pace and learn things the way you want. And if you think that you like other fields and programs or you are interested in something else, then maybe a double major or even a major and minor is more suited for you. I just want you to think and evaluate your options, to look for the best path that will help you reach your goals. Do your research, understand your programs, your goals, and what you like to do. And also, ChatGPT is your best friend. If you want to understand more or learn more about a program, then ask ChatGPT. Anyways, thank you for sticking until the end and good luck.